already talked about one of them before, which is the dog and Tigny technique, and so I'm going to show it again here on Claire, and we're going to have her pull both knees up here. And I really like this technique a lot. A lot of times I have a lot of good positive results from it. So I'm going to come and snake my right hand underneath. My left hand's going to be on top. One thing I like to do is drag this foot to the midline, and I like to brace it with my knee, because a lot of times this is going to move on you. Remember that the iliosacral angle is almost at a 45. So my direction of pull is going to be at a 45, almost toward Erik. So I start off with just a nice rock because I want them to relax on the table. So once I start getting her relaxed, I feel like she's relaxed. Sometimes I even sneak in a little pull just like that when they're relaxed. I just sneak one in on them. They don't even know what I'm doing. They're just laying there, and a lot of times you want to ask them, do you feel that in your low back when I pull?
No.
Not bad? Okay, so I'm going to hold the pull right here. Now I'm going to have her pull her hip to the table. She pulls down against my resistance. 2, 3, 4, 5. When she relaxes, I give her just a post-isometric stretch there. Good. Notice how I'm bracing right here with my left hand on her foot so it doesn't pop up. We want to hold that down. Notice how that creates that fulcrum at the knee joint. Good. One more time. Pull your hip down. 2, 3, 4, and relax. And just another post-isometric, real nice, real easy technique. Okay, so what we're going to do here, and we've added a movement strategy to this to make it a little more simple and more effective. And we're going to come in here, and I'm going to brace with the palm of my hand between the leg and also my elbow here. We don't want the point of the elbow in the leg so it's not painful to her. And Claire, what I want you to do is you're going to push through your heels, and as you're pushing through your heels, you're going to be squeezing me as hard as you can and lifting up into a bridge position. So we're going to have Claire lift and squeeze. Go ahead and squeeze really hard here. The harder they squeeze, the more alignment they get. And get higher, higher, higher. Make them go all the way in the bridge till they fire their glutes and down. Good. And let's do that one more time. She's going to come up. Nice hard squeeze. Fire those glutes by pushing through that heel. Try to get in the bridge and back down. And then now I'm going to bring her legs together, feet together. We're going to do just the opposite. This is going to kind of gap the SI joint in the back. So now we're going to have her pull apart as she lifts. Go ahead and lift up. I'm going to squeeze her legs together. She pulls them apart, pull apart, pull apart. Good. Bridge, pushing through her heels. Bridge as high as you can. Nice. And back down. Keeping that pull apart. Yep. Very good.